Going to study about the motion of a car on a banked circular path. We are going to study the motion of a car on a banked circular path. Let a car moves on a banked road. Let a car moves on a banked road. The angle of banking is theta. The angle of banking is theta. Now, three forces acts on the car. First one is its weight mg in vertically downward direction. Its weight mg in vertically downward direction. Frictional force along the plane of the inclined plane. Frictional force along the slope of the inclined plane. This is the frictional force along the slope. And the normal reaction force N, which is perpendicular to the plane of the slope, and the normal reaction N perpendicular to the plane of the slope. Now we can resolve the frictional force which is along the plane of the slope. We can resolve the frictional force into two perpendicular direction, one horizontal in horizontal direction and one in perpendicularly downward direction. So horizontal direction, the component of the horizontal component of the frictional force will be F cos theta, and vertical component of the frictional force is F sin theta, which is in downward direction, in the downward direction. This one, F sin theta. Now we can resolve the normal reaction in two perpendicular direction. This is n cos theta in vertically upward direction and n sin theta in horizontal direction. N normal reaction can also be resolved in two perpendicular direction. One is n cos theta in upward direction, vertically upward direction, and n sin theta along the horizontal direction. So we see that two forces are in the horizontal direction. One is F cos theta and n sin theta, and in vertically downward direction is F sin theta and its weight mg. In upward direction is n cos theta. In vertically upward direction is n cos theta. So in vertical direction there is no acceleration. Therefore this n cos theta will be the sum of F sin theta and mg. So we have written here n cos theta equal to mg plus F sin theta, and in horizontal direction the force is n sin theta plus F cos theta. This n sin theta and F cos theta provides the centripetal force, which is mv square by r. So we have written here n sin theta plus F cos theta is equal to mv square by r. So we got two equations. One equation is n cos theta is equal to mg plus F sin theta, and another equation is n sin theta plus F cos theta equal to mv square by r. Two equations we got. Now we know that for safe motion this frictional force should be less than or equal to mu s into n, where mu s is the coefficient of static friction. So for safe motion, frictional force should be less than or equal to mu s into n. So for maximum speed V max, this frictional force should be equal to mu s into n. Now putting the value of friction force as mu s into n, the above two equation becomes n cos theta equal to mg plus mu s n sin theta, and another equation becomes n sin theta plus mu s n cos theta equal to m v square. This v is the maximum velocity, so we can write v m v max square by r, m v max square by r. Fourth equation is n sin theta plus mu s n cos theta equal to m v max square by r. Now from equation 3, from this equation we can write n cos theta minus mu s n sin theta equal to mg. Therefore, or cos theta minus mu s sin theta, n we have taken common, so cos theta minus mu s sin theta into n equal to mg, or n equal to mg by cos theta minus mu s sin theta. From equation 4, n into sin theta plus mu s cos theta equal to m v max square by r. Now putting the value of n, that we have calculated, it becomes mg into sin theta plus mu s cos theta by cos theta minus mu s sin theta equal to m v max square by r. After calculation we get v max square equal to rg sin theta plus mu s cos theta by cos theta minus mu s sin theta. Now dividing by cos theta in numerator and denominator in RHS. So what we get? V max square equal to rg, V max square equal to rg. Here sin theta by cos theta, that will be tan theta. This tan theta we have written in here, and mu s cos theta by cos theta, that becomes mu s I have written here. So rg into mu s plus tan theta divided by 1 cos theta by cos theta becomes 1 minus mu s sin theta by cos theta, mu s tan theta. So it becomes v max square equal to rg into mu s plus tan theta by 1 minus mu s tan theta, or v max equal to a square root of rg mu s plus tan theta by 1 minus mu s tan theta. This is the maximum safe speed of a car on a banked road. This is the maximum safe speed of a car on a banked road. This is very important relation, we must remember it. If there is no friction, for no friction, mu s is equal to 0. Mu s equal to 0. If there is no friction, then mu s will be equal to 0. Putting mu s equal to 0, we get V max is equal to under root rg tan theta. V maximum is equal to a square root of rg tan theta.